Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1965 Mercury Comet. Killer car, guys. Buddy of mine locally is the one that actually found me this car. It is a 2019 body up restoration car, and man, you will not find a funner car to drive. This guy owned a fab shop that built this thing. So it's the original Arizona body, which does match up. I think the DSO on this car was LA built. Rock solid body, factory color combination, polar white with a red interior. He has got a 302 Roush built roller engine in it, 400 horsepower, Tremec 5-speed trans, Mustang 2 front suspension, tach fuel injection, air, and I'm telling you, car rides excellent, nice and tight, shifts out great. Just a fun little car, man. This is a great car, guys. Whoever built this car knew what they were doing. You can see a couple little touch-up marks. Again, this is the original color combination, but not a whole lot that you can really nitpick on the car. And like I say, you get in and drive this thing, it hits the road awesome. Chrome and stainless is nice. Fit and finish is really nice on the car. It's got those American Racing torque thrusts all the way around it. I think they're Hankook tires. I love the little moon tack in there. Dual chrome mirrors. Look how nice that trim is. Again, another little touch-up mark. Yeah, this is a cool car, man. Nice and straight down the side, sits good. This is a cool car. Love the wheels and tires on it. Definitely looks like it belongs cruising Woodward Avenue. Again, it's got a Mustang 2. It's actually TCI Mustang II IFS front suspension with power rack and pinion steering, power front disc brakes. It is a tach fuel injected 302 roller engine. It says 400 horsepower. You see it's got a Weiand Street Warrior aluminum intake. Just like I say, just a cool car. Coated headers. And it's kind of cool some of the stuff he did here. You can see he owned a fab shop, put those vents in, which I thought looked cool. Did all this. Griffin aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Full roller engine. Tremec 5-speed manual trans. Pretty car right here, guys. Got about 5 or 6 here lined up to get advertised. If you watched my other video, you know that we've had a weather problem here. It's supposed to warm up. Snow's supposed to go away, but then I guess we're gonna have to deal with the rain. Welcome to Michigan. Snow one day, rain the next. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Trim looks pretty nice around here. Door handles, those may be original. They show a little wear. Original door tags still in here. Door seams are nice and clean. I love the color combo, the white with the red. Those sill plates look original. bench seat. It was a factory 3-speed car. And like I say, they converted it to a Tremec 5-speed. Sorry, my hand's a little shaky. I don't know if I'm cold or what, man. That center console comes out if you don't like it. Headliner's nice. Showing 20,331. I'm sure that's 120. Parking brake works. I think all the gauges works. I love the moon tach. It's got the aftermarket gauges there. AM radio does have air. I think I might have forgot to say that, but it does have air conditioning. He's put the aftermarket kick panel speakers in it. I never turned the radio on, so I have to check that. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got an 8-inch 350 posi rear end with traction bars. They've relocated the battery to the trunk here. Old hot rod and strip. Just spackle coated the trunk. It's got an on-off switch in the back. Wind blows, man, and it's cold. Fun car to drive, though. I'll tell you what, man, this thing hits the road great. Clean underneath. So I get my hand, I'm gonna wear gloves here. It's just too dang cold. Like I say, the door seams are nice and clean, interior's nice. Like I say, whoever gets this, I think you're getting a turnkey hot rod. Go have some fun. Seats are nice. They've definitely been all repadded. The thing I'm not a real big fan of is that steering wheel, but I don't know what they would have had in 65. Glass is nice. Click your air on. I hope you've seen that air kicks on. It's underneath the power steering wheel. You got a turn signal on. Remember your parking brake's on too. Parking brake works. Fuel gauge works. I think everything else is down here. All that stuff works. Your moon tach works. Does the radio work? Turn it on. We'll see. There we go. Turn signals working. Yep. There's no reverse lights on. Does it work? No. There's not one of the glove boxes there. Nope. That's all your 5-tech stuff. Blower motor works, no on the radio. Oh, sorry. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Like I say, this one rocks. Nathan's not going to get on it hard. I've already told him that because it's wicked little car right there, man. Yeah, that's just a ball of fun right there. guys.